Hello, welcome to DIY Freeze Dry. On my channel here, I am teaching you all step-by-step process of how to freeze dry all the things. I don't ever repeat a food item on my channel. Last video, I promised that I would be freeze drying something healthy. So today, that is what we're gonna do. We've been doing lots of candy and yummy things around here. So we're going with something healthy today. I am freeze drying broccoli. I am super excited about this. I think it's going to be great. This will be a great item to have on my food storage shelves that I can turn to if I ever need some shelf-stable vegetables. This is going to be great. I'm going to show you the whole process on how to do it. At the end, I will show you how you can rehydrate the broccoli and give you some ideas on how you can use this in your everyday cooking. Also, at the end of this video, I am announcing a winner for our 500 subscriber giveaway entries on a previous video. Thank you all so much for following along and for subscribing. This has been so much fun for me, and I love being able to give back to all of you. So I'm going to choose a winner from the entries to send a freeze-dried candy box to, and I will let the winner know. I'll announce the winner, and I will also let the winner know in a reply to their comment on their original entry in that video with how to contact me for me to send you your goodies. So here we go. Onto the broccoli. The next couple of clips that I'm going to put on here are just how I started my broccoli with vegetables. From my research, it says it is best to blanch your vegetables before freeze drying them. Blanching is just boiling them in water for a few minutes just to get them to start becoming a little more tender and cooked, not completely raw. What I used for my broccoli today was bags of frozen broccoli that I bought at Walmart. I blanched them in boiling water for about 5 minutes, drained, laid them out on paper towels for them to dry, and then put them on my freeze drying trays. So I will show a couple clips of how I did that right now. And now we are here. I've got all my broccoli set up. This was 3 of the really big bags of frozen broccoli florets from Walmart, just so you have an idea of how much broccoli could fill up a tray. I'm going to turn on my freeze dryer, which I have not done yet. Dun, dun, dun. And I will show you the settings that I am going to use. I'm going to go into customize and hit reset. And the only changes I'm gonna make, I'm gonna put it into fast dry mode. I'm going to increase this. I'm starting this freeze dry run in the middle of the day, so there's a chance that it could finish in the nighttime when we're sleeping. And so I like to increase the dry time just so it gives it extra time in the freeze dryer. And then it'll be ready when I wake up and have time to take it out. So that is why I just increased this extra dry time. I'm gonna hit save and start. And then we just need to wait our 15-minute cool down period before loading up our trays. Okay, our freeze dryer is ready. I'm going to close the drain valve and stick these in the dryer. To hit continue, and we're freezing. I suspect that this won't get done until sometime tomorrow, I think I had said on my last video this would be out Tuesday. I am still hoping I can get this put out Tuesday, which is tomorrow. But if it finishes and I can get the video edited and uploaded, it'll be Tuesday. If not, I'm sorry, and it'll be Wednesday. We will find out. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see how these turn out. I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay, hello my friends. It is the next day. Our broccoli is finally ready. This took a long time. We are sitting at 26 hours. It is about 2 hours into the extra dry time. I want to take this out and test it and see if the broccoli is looking fully dry. I opened my drain valve. I'm just selecting defrost because I'm done with the freeze dryer. Okay, did not take it. There we go. It's going to shut down. And then I'm going to open this up and see how they're looking. Oh, we are good. They feel super totally dry. I'm going to just take these out. And there is our beautiful dried broccoli. Here's our broccoli. I don't know if you can hear kind of just the airiness of it. This is so cool. I am going to show you how I'm going to package this. I am going to do this in my Mylar bags with an oxygen absorber and heat seal the bag shut for my long-term shelf life to preserve it. I am also going to keep a little baggie of it to show you how to rehydrate it and what it looks like when we do that. This is a first for me. So we're going to see how that turns out. I also have been thinking of ways to use this freeze-dried broccoli. You can obviously just eat it as is. I'm going to do a taste test in just a minute. I thought it would be so good to put into like a broccoli cheddar soup. All you would need to do is get your base sauce soup ingredients, chop up some of these pieces of broccoli a little bit, throw it in, and that would be an amazing way to have an easy broccoli cheddar soup with your broccoli already prepared and ready to go. It also would be good in casserole dishes that you might make that call for broccoli. I'm thinking of a chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole that I've made that this would work perfectly in. And what else? Anything. I'm gonna be a nice mom and not make my kiddos do the broccoli taste test. I only have one kid that likes broccoli. I love broccoli. It's probably my favorite vegetable. Roasted broccoli is like delish. My kids, you know, they're picky eaters. So I'm just gonna try this little one. I would totally eat that. I wouldn't like prefer it this way, but that dipped in some ranch would be so good. Kids might actually like that. But I think this is going to be awesome to have for food storage, to have in a pinch if I can't get any fresh veggies. Boom, we've got some on the pantry. So let's get this packaged up and then we will take you on to rehydrate this. I'm super stoked. As you can see, about one tray filled one Harvest Right bag. So I've got 3 Harvest Right bags here full of my broccoli, which I'm gonna go put in my food storage cabinet next. And then I have 1 tray that I am actually just gonna keep out. I'm gonna put this in a mason jar and vacuum seal the lid, which isn't super long-term shelf life, but it will hold a long shelf life. But it's something that I'm gonna plan on using in the next couple of months. So that is a way, if you're gonna be using your freeze-dried food fairly soon, you can vacuum seal it in a mason jar with like a food saver. But for the long-term shelf life, you want to use the Mylar bag with the oxygen absorber. So I'm gonna go upstairs, get those jarred up, and we will try out rehydrating. Here is my my mason jar. I am just putting on my jar attachment. Gotta unplug this. Stick this here. Turn this on, and we're gonna hit accessory. And there you have it. I've got broccoli ready to go in my pantry whenever I need it. I'm just gonna stick that in the pantry, and yeah, super exciting. The rest of this broccoli I have just covered in warm water. And I'm gonna just let it sit for about 10 minutes and see if that was long enough to get it reconstituted back to real fresh broccoli. Here's our broccoli. Tastes fresh. Could use some seasoning, but that's great. That worked out great. If you want to do broccoli, we definitely suggest it. I think it's gonna be an awesome thing to have. Okay, coming up next, we are going to be choosing a winner for our candy giveaway. Yay! I am here with Leslie. Say hello.
Hi.
He is gonna be the one to pick our giveaway winner. What I have on my phone is the YouTube video with all of the comments that are the entries for the giveaway. I am just going to scroll, and Wesley is gonna touch one, and whichever one he touches is gonna be our big winner. Okay, we're gonna get it nice and mixed up. Mixy, 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 mixy. All right, touch one, hold on. Touch. Who did you pick? Is this one?
Yeah.
Okay, that is Elaine Outdoors 9581. You are our winner. Congratulations. I will be leaving a reply on your comment with my email address, and I will just have you send me your mailing address, and I will get a box of candy right out to you. Congratulations. Thank you everyone who entered my giveaway. I am so grateful for your support and for all of my new subscribers. Thanks for joining along. I'm gonna do another giveaway, and it's gonna be an even more epic giveaway when I reach 1,000. I think I'm a little over 600 right now, so we are on our way there. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Subscribe
if Grandma was on it. Grandma Doan and Grandma Bobby.
Grandma Doan and Grandma Bobby. Wesley wants a shout out. Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Alrighty. Thanks for watching our broccoli video. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Other than that, we will see you later.
Alligator.
Bye.
Bye, alligator.